We'll guide you through how to make Artifact in Claude Mobile. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the browser on your mobile device. Once the browser is ready, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type Claude Web into the search bar, then press Enter to begin the search. When the search results appear, select the first website from the list to open it. Wait for the Claude website to finish loading completely before continuing. After the page opens, tap the small button located in the top left corner of the screen. This will open the sidebar containing several available options. Inside the sidebar, find the Artifacts section and tap it to continue. Once the Artifacts page opens, press the New Artifact button located at the top of the screen. A list of available categories will appear for you to choose from. Select the category that you want to create. For example, in this tutorial, choose the Productivity Tools category. After selecting the category, Claude will begin processing the new artifact. Wait a few moments while the initial artifact is prepared. Once the artifact is ready, type what kind of productivity tool you want to build into the prompt field. Describe your idea clearly, then submit your prompt to start the generation process. Claude will begin generating the artifact based on the prompt that you entered. Wait until the generation process has finished completely before moving to the next step. After the artifact has been generated, review the result carefully to make sure it matches what you wanted. If everything looks correct, confirm the result to continue. After confirming it, the generated data will appear inside Claude, where you can view the completed artifact. By following every step in the correct order, you have successfully created an artifact in Claude on your mobile device.